In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule Instagram posts. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So once you have your Instagram post ready to go up, all you need to do, of course, is to add your caption, say whatever it is that you want to add to your picture or your image or your reel, and then you have to select more options. And right here under sharing preferences, you're going to have the option to schedule this post. Go ahead and enable that option and select continue to scheduling. Now the only thing that you need to do is to choose the date and the time below when you want this image to go up. Let's say I want it for Sunday at 2 p.m. and then simply tap on done. And that's it. Now you simply go back to your post, you hit share, and then your post won't be posted automatically, but it will actually go up whenever you pick to. And that's how easy you can schedule a post on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.